Today, I'm going to teach you how to create buttons in one row in Elementor. This is a really useful technique when you want to display multiple call to action buttons side by side, like a Learn More and Contact Us button sitting next to each other horizontally. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard interface where you can manage all aspects of your site. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your pages. Next, navigate to Pages and then click on All Pages. Here you'll see a list of all the pages on your website. Look for the specific page you want to edit, and once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor Page Builder interface, which is a visual editor that lets you design your page in real time. Once Elementor loads, you'll see your page layout displayed on the right side of the screen. Now click the plus icon in the section where you want to add your buttons. This action will add a container to that area. Containers are essential building blocks in Elementor that hold and organize your content elements. After adding the container, you'll need to adjust its settings to make sure your buttons appear in a row. Look for the layout settings in the container panel on the left side of your screen. Within those settings, find the direction option and set it to row. This tells Elementor to arrange any elements you add to this container horizontally, side by side, rather than stacking them vertically. Now it's time to add your first button. Click the plus button at the upper left of the page, which opens the widget panel. From the left panel, select the button widget. You can either click it to add it automatically or drag it directly into your container. This button will be your first call to action element. To create a second button right next to the first one, you don't need to repeat the entire process. Simply right-click on the button widget you just added and select Duplicate from the menu that appears. This creates an exact copy of your button, and because your container is set to row direction, this second button will automatically appear beside the first one horizontally. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Click Save Draft beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page. This ensures all your changes are stored and you can preview or publish them later. And there you have it, you've successfully created multiple buttons displayed in one row using Elementor. This layout makes your page look cleaner and more professional by organizing your call to action buttons horizontally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.